Want to do a painting that's fun and easy and great for all levels? Hi everyone, I'm Cindy from CLM Creative and welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a painting of falling leaves using Brusho, one of my favorite mediums, Brusho. And I already did a light sketch. I did a freehand sketch of maple leaves falling. This Brusho is going to be the background of these maple leaves I just freehand drew, and I just Googled maple leaves. I'm going to show you a screenshot of it. And the ingredients that I'm going to use today for this episode is I'm using this pad from Dunzoom. It's 5x5 by 8x5, 140 pound, 300 GSMs, 30 pages. It's 100% cotton, even though it doesn't say it here. It should. So I'm using that. I did sketch it with my watercolor pencils from the set that I bought from Temu like last year. So I sketched this with the watercolor pencil. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw in the sketch that I drew here. I'm going to do that first. I'm going to speed up the video so you won't be bored to pieces while I draw in while I draw the lines over here. Now you have an option of what you could use. You could use either the Micron pen, the black Micron pen. It has to be bleed proof, and Micron pens are bleed proof. This is the black one. This is an 08, so this is a large nib. See, it's very large. Or you could use this 05 tip. It's a little bit finer. But what I will personally use is Sienna Micron pen. It's Micron, and it's burnt sienna. Well, it's a sienna color. I think that would be very appropriate for fall. And what they have is, I got this set. This is a complete set from Temu for, I think, for like $6 and change. I also got this set from Temu. Comes in a 5-pack for, I think, $3 and change. But I got this whole set, and it's from it's a broad range of points. This one it goes from 0.003 all the way up to chisel. Now that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use the chisel nib. I'm going to be using this chisel. You see, isn't this nice? Because you can make fine lines, thick and thins. So that's what I'm going to do. That's the first step. Now I drew all these maple leaves in various sizes. They're not perfect because I did this freehand. So, but what you could trace from the reference material you get, you could just simply trace from it. Okay, so let's choose the colors from the Brusho 12 pack that I have here. Now, Brusho is crystallized pigment, so a little goes a long way. So colors I chose were scarlet, sandstone, lemon, orange, brilliant red, yellow, and leaf green. My thought was these are nice fall colors. And I also have my water bottle. So let's start. Brilliant red. I'm just arbitrarily putting the Brusho down. Oops, missed it. What I would like to do is take a crappy brush like this. This is the official crappy brush. See, crappy brush? I'm just going to move this over a little because I'm going to move this around gently. Definitely move that around. This is to prevent blotching. Sometimes there's like a concentration of color. So this is the first time I'm doing this. I don't know how it's going to come out. Let's see. I'm just playing. We're just playing here. But you see, trying to get rid of these clumps. Trying to get rid of the clumps here. See, I already taped my pad here, so okay. So let's see. The magic is about to start. Spray. Wow, look at that. I don't want to spray that much, so it will create puddles. But wow, how lovely. Okay. All right. Look at that. Wow. That is lovely. What I'm going to do, see, I'm trying to avoid these. Use the crappy brush. I don't want to use a good brush with Brillo. With Brillo. Listen to me. With Brusho. I don't know how my brush is gonna handle this. See? A little bit too white. Wow. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to let it dry. This is fully dried now. And what I realized is that the background really takes over the leaves. Like you could barely see it. So what I had done was go over the lines with this mic. I used a 0.05 micron pen to go over the lines. So at least you could really see the leaves. But even that I think is pretty light. Like I didn't realize. That's why I love Brusho, but wow. I love the vibrant background colors. But what I don't like is that it's really taking away from the leaves. You really could barely see it. So what I've decided to do was I'm going to break out the Sharpie. Now I'm gonna use this. I was thinking of using the fine tip, but this fine tip is a lot like the Micron fine 0.05 tip. And I'm gonna speed up the video so you won't be bored to tears. Yeah, this is much better. I could tell already. Let me do one more thing. Let me see. I'm going to break out the crappy brush again. I don't think I could. I want to see if I could get rid of some of this white. There he is. I could. Wow. All right. That's good. This is a fun and easy painting with Brusho and the Micron pens and possibly the Sharpie. If the background is too dominating, you break out the Sharpie. I just saw something. These need veins. Are these maple leaves perfect? Nope, not by any stretch. But you know they are maple leaves. And you know this is a fall themed painting. This would make a nice card, actually. Would make a nice card. So let me remove the tape. Moment of truth. Yeah. There you go. It did bleed. It was bleeding there. Okay. There you go. Oops. There you go. Yeah, I live in the city. The theme song's on. Oh, right over here too. Oh, how funny. How funny. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave comments or questions below. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.